Can we be proud to win 1 medal in the Olympics or 2 medals in the Olympics? We cannot accept this situation. India as a nation, which is now known as the youngest nation in the world, youngest young force in the world, 1/5 of the global youth population is Indian. And we cannot be satisfied with 1 or 2 medals. That is why we have prepared a roadmap. Tokyo 2020, we are ready, but we have limitation. As I said, I cannot work out a mechanism to produce champion in 1 year. But we have existing talents which we will go in a best prepared manner. We have set a target internally, we will do good this time.
करता आणि जवळपास जो नॅशनल गेम्स जावपाच्यो आसा त्या नॅशनल गेमींक पुरा इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर आणि ऑर्गनायझेशन ऑफ द गेम्स 750 crores of rupees we are spending. More than 500 crores of rupees we had spent for the infrastructure. आणि 250 कोटी ऑर्गनायझेशनान आमी अजूनही मोडपाचे आसा. वन ऑफ द बेस्ट नॅशनल गेम्स हे फावटी गोंयांत ऑर्गनायज जातले आणि पयले फावटी म्हणजे मेडल्स मेळटले काय ना मेळटले हे मागीरची गजाल आसा, बट तरी सुद्धा पार्टिसिपेट जावप आणि आमच्या भुरग्यांनी ह्या इव्हेंटान भाग घेवप ही आमच्या खातीर खूब व्हड गजाल आसा. आणि ती भाग घेवपाक आमी सगळ्यांनी म्हाका दिसता भाग घेवपाक लावचे आणि नक्कीच तेंच्यांनी मोठ्या प्रमाणात ह्या सगळ्या गेमींनी भाग घेवपाक जाय.
Fit India being launched right here, right now. 6 at a time, cyclists will go through.
Fit India movement is a people's movement. Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports, we will provide certificate like any school which is fit will be given Fit India flag. Any school which has done better, 3-star, 5-star, like that. We are integrating everything, every institute in India, every individual with Fit India.